Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add add-on domain on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to add an add-on domain on Bluehost. And if we want to do that, so here simply click on this domains on the left panel, then click on assign on the same section of the domains, of course. That will take you into this option. Sorry, so here the first step, as you can see, you'll have to enter your domain. Make sure to select this first option first and just select the domain that you want to assign or to add it as an add-on. And of course, here the step two is going to be the verify ownership. For me, I did not add any domain here, so I will not be able to add anything here. But of course, once you selected your domain name for you, you will find this step is available. Of course, the step three will be choosing add-on with Spark. As we said, we would like add-on domain, so simply make sure to select this. For me, as you can see here, I have a currently basic web hosting plan. So if I have an add-on domain plan, I will be able to choose it. Once I choose this from here, I will have just the last step, which is choose add-on directory and subdomain. For me, I did not select the add-on. That's why that is not available yet. For you, if you select this, you will find it like there. Then click as assign this domain and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.